Hi, I'm Helena, and it's my job to help you learn how to use Flex menstrual products. And today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Flex Cup. It looks different from other cups because it was designed to make your period as easy as possible. Plus, Flex Cup is the only cup in the world that can be removed like a tampon thanks to its patented release ring technology. So once you learn how it works, using it should be a breeze. In addition to being easy to use, Flex Cup is safe to wear for up to 12 hours. It's hypoallergenic, made without BPA, and is doctor recommended. It's also eco-friendly. One Flex Cup is all you need for years of period protection. Flex Cup comes in two sizes: Slim Fit and Full Fit. Slim Fit is perfect for first-time cup users and has a capacity of 2 super tampons. Full Fit is ideal for more experienced cup users or those with a heavy flow. Full Fit has a capacity of 3 super tampons. Many people choose to have both sizes so they can switch them out depending on their flow that day. Before you use Flex Cup for the first time, it's a good idea to get familiar with your cup and learn how the release ring works. Try unthreading and rethreading it through the bottom seal. Then try pulling the release ring and see how it indents the side of the cup. This is what makes removal super easy. You'll also get a feel for how fast or slow you need to pull the release ring. Now that you know how it works, let's talk about insertion. Always wash your cup with soap and water before you insert. Next, fold the cup to insert and it will bloom open inside your vagina. This is what creates a seal to prevent leaks. There are many different ways to fold a cup. I personally like to use the tulip fold, which creates a small point for easier insertion. This is especially great for beginners. Another common fold is the C fold. To create a C fold, you'll take the cup and flatten it. Then you'll fold it in half so it looks like the letter C, or the letter U, or a taco. You could also try the 7-fold. To create a 7-fold, you'll flatten the cup, then take one side and fold it over. The rim will form the number 7. There are many different folds for cups out there. Find one that works best for you and your body. Once inserted, to check if your cup has opened all the way, run your finger along the outside of the cup. You shouldn't feel any gaps. If you do, keep running your finger between your vaginal wall and the cup to make space for it to fully open. Once the cup is in, you can go about your day or night for up to 12 hours. You can swim, exercise, sleep, use the bathroom, and more while wearing Flex Cup. And you don't have to worry about carrying additional product. You can travel light because you'll have everything you need. Now let's talk about removal. With traditional cups, you'd have to reach in and manually break the seal with your finger. This can be messy and difficult. With Flex Cup, all you have to do is pull the release ring and the rim will indent, breaking the seal for you so the cup can slide out effortlessly. Just hook your finger, pull firmly but slowly until the cup slides down. Empty the contents into the toilet and unthread the release ring. Wash the cup with soap and water and you're ready to rethread and reinsert. When you're done with your cycle, boil the cup for 10 minutes and store it in the pouch it came in. That's it. If you still have questions, you can always reach out to us, the Flexperts, at 1-800-931-0882 or by email at hello@flexfits.com anytime.